Hey there, and welcome to another training video. So in today's video, we're going to be covering how to do a view-only profile on FNB. So FNB is one of the largest South African banks, and today we're going to be creating a profile. So to do this, you'll need to log in as the primary user on the FNB profile, and you go to fnb.co.za, and we can go from there. So as you can see on the screen, at the top, there's a username and password block, and once that's filled in, you can select Login. Once you're in, you just want to go straight to Online Banking Settings, which is in the top right-hand corner. Then there's a lot of options here, but all we want to do is go to the secondary users. So over here, and we select View. Okay, and then from this screen, we're going to select Add User. So here's the details that we're going to be filling in about the user. So I'm going to call that 0, surname. And in this case, you just have to use a valid ID. So I'm going to use my own. Enter in my cell phone number. And then for view, you just select all of these boxes so that they'll be able to view all of the different accounts. If there's a specific account you don't want the view only profile to have access to, you just uncheck it over here. Perfect. When we're done with that, we can say continue. And now at this screen, we're going to be creating the user login information. So I'm just going to call this 2018. There we go. Okay, so I had to try that a couple of times just to get a password that I hadn't used already. Then for the one-time PIN delivery, we have to select something. So I'm going to select a cell phone number. And again, secondary method we don't need to worry about. And just make sure to take note of the username and password. And then you can say add. Okay, so let's just change the username. Let's make it for next year. And then say add. Cool, I'm going to save that for now. And then basically you just want to confirm all of these details. Select the accept box and then select confirm. At this point, you'll just have to approve the transaction on your app. And that should be us set. And you can select finish. And then let's try it out. So I'm going to log out. Then just go home. Then 9. Perfect. So the first time you log in, you're going to get a notification message. Then you can say, got it. And you've got to accept your personal agreements and then say continue. And then it's going to ask you to change the password again. Cool. Then you can say update. Perfect. Then from here, you'll be able to go to my bank accounts and you'll be able to see all the balances. And you can also use this to log into any bank feeds from Xero or Sage Accounting, etc.